A shuffleboard table is a perfect addition to your home game room. However, with the number of choices available on the internet, finding the best one can be a highly time-consuming assignment. Each of the models comes with a pretty long list of features and characteristics that you will need to pay careful attention to. And really, not everyone has the time. So, in order to make things easier for you, we've moved past hundreds of options and managed to select some of the top shuffleboard tables of 2023 that you can possibly find on the entire market. In addition to this, we've also made a convenient buying manual for all the first-time buyers. So without any further ado, let's begin with the top-tier picks and slowly work our way to the guide. Number 1. Atomic 9-inch Platinum Shuffleboard Table. In the top position of our exclusive listing, we have the Atomic 9-inch Platinum Shuffleboard Table, one of the top-rated models in this particular niche. The entire play surface, measuring 94.4 inches in length x 14 inch in width, is covered with poly coating for a smooth, fast puck action and features a printed goal scheme, first section, second section, third section, for an easy scoring experience. So, we're more than confident that most buyers will find this particular shuffleboard table fitting for their personal demands. You will also receive a couple of extra accessories, including 4x red pucks, for the first team, 4x blue pucks, for the second team, and a full canister of shuffleboard wax, helps to further slicken the surface and add extra speed to the plays. Want to learn more about this shuffleboard table? Be sure to visit their official product link, you will be able to find plenty of helpful information there. Number 2. American Legend Pro Shuffleboard Table. With top-grade materials and a fashionable design, the American Legend Pro Shuffleboard Table is something worth looking at. Also, not only is this particular table ideal for shuffleboard, but it also features an additional bowling collection, providing you with the opportunity to play 2 games in one. Pretty amazing, right? The board also features several LED rails that light up the whole surface and provide an exciting game experience, particularly during low light conditions. But just bear in mind that the LED rails aren't powered through batteries, so in order to activate them, you'll be required to plug the power adapter into a socket outlet. On top of everything, this table also comes with a consumer satisfaction period. If you experience any sort of issues with the delivery process or you received missing or broken parts, then we strongly advise you get in contact with the manufacturers. Number 3. Barrington Urban Style Shuffleboard Table. As a runner-up on our list, we have the Barrington Urban Style Shuffleboard Table. This particular shuffleboard table is manufactured from furniture-quality wood and features outstanding craftsmanship, so you can expect it to withstand daily usage without any visible signs of wearing. Plus, the whole surface of this table is coated in a 100% UV layering, protective finish. Apart from being extremely sturdy, this table is pretty fashionable as well. Both the brown exterior and wood veneer bars create a simple yet traditional look that will be a notable element in your space. Moreover, the shuffleboard table also comes with a 90-day warranty. So, if you aren't delighted with the overall performance or appearance, you can send an email to the manufacturer and request a total refund. Overall, this particular shuffleboard is a decent choice for anyone. It has an appealing design, first-class material construction, and comes with a nice warranty. Number 4. Playcraft Woodbridge Basic Shuffleboard Table. The Playcraft Woodbridge Basic Shuffleboard Table is, without question, one of our personal favorites on the list. With a brand new arch-legging design, pro-style climatic adjusters, and deluxe pucks, this particular shuffleboard table will absolutely surpass even the smallest bit of your expectations. Moreover, the Playcraft Woodbridge Basic Shuffleboard Table is available in 4 appealing designs: Classic Espresso, Pure Black, Fruit Cherry, and Honey Oak, and 5 different length options: 9-inch, 12 feet, 14 feet, and 16 feet. You may review all your choices and stick with the color and size that will flawlessly match your play area. Also, remember that this table by Playcraft is available in a limited quantity. So, be sure that you acquire it before it's out of stock. Number 5. Hathaway Premium Avenger Shuffleboard Table. Enjoy fast and accurate puck action right in the comfort of your personal residence with the assistance of the Hathaway Premium Avenger Shuffleboard Table. The play surface is poly-coated and stands on top pedestal legs for the best stability possible. Keeping track of the score is pretty straightforward as well. Just use the silver-toned abacus system, located at the side of the table, and tick the beads every time you score. This way, you will be able to stay focused on the shots rather than the initial score. The playing surface measures 104 inches in length x 20 inches in width x 3 inches in height, while the entire table has the following dimensions: 108 inches in length x 24.25 inches in width and 30 inches in height. Be sure that you carefully measure the available space in your home and see whether you will have enough space for this table. If you have any additional questions regarding this particular shuffleboard table, then you should get in touch with Hathaway. Their consumer group is remarkably knowledgeable and will be able to provide you with a competent answer quickly.